Good morning. We'll see the usage report from Naukri today. So this is a home page. When you log in, it will take you here. Come down. This is where you see account utilization part. CV access, emails, branded emails, all those overall uses. Includes job posting vacancy, hot vacancy, overall uses. Okay. Individually, you can take a report. So you go to reports. From reports, you can go to job posting, how many job posts you done it so far, and Resdex. Resdex is nothing but a database uses. Click here. You can take reports for yesterday, for a week, for a month. Let's take an example for a month. Generate report. You will see complete details. Total searches you've done, total CV views, total CV downloads, resumes downloaded, emails sent, branded emails sent, resumes forwarded, click to view, unique CV views, unique Excel downloads, CV access due to CV views, CV access due to Excel downloads. So CV access by company. So it's overall. This is the actual usage of complete company. That means, including all sub users. Okay. So let's come to the point. So Naukri is the king in the Indian recruitment market right now. I believe more than 60 million job seekers are registered, and it's a first choice for job seekers and employers at this point of time. One thing you need to remember is the cost for 1 year is too costly. There are different packages and plans available, but it all depends on the users. So if you remember correctly, when I purchased last time, couple of years back, it cost me more than 1.25 lakhs for one single user with a lot of restrictions. So you need to negotiate a lot with the sales team based on your need. So due to product monopoly, they have high price range. Unfortunately, there's no one closer to them. So one should realize and use it properly and reduce the dependence on this portal as well. And use alternative portals. Some of them are free, like IM Jobs, LinkedIn, InstaHire, or maybe Indeed, which may not cost you much. So I suggest you try this before you download or post a job in Naukri. So let's see what is the main use of buying Naukri. There are three main usages. One is job posting, second is resume view or download, and third is mass mailing. See how many job postings you have as per the package. Use it wisely so that you will get a lot of responses. So the CV downloads are views. Even if you visit the CV, it's counted as one. So don't just download every CV. So at a glance, look at what is the profile which you require, whether it is useful or not. If it is useful, download it. Regarding mass mails, don't send because you have a lot of uses. At some point of time, you realize that you don't have any mass mails to send. So use it wisely, scan through the pages, select the profiles, and send the mass mails. This will save you a lot of uses, right? So this is what I would like to talk about today. Maybe I'll come up with a different topic, different techniques how to minimize or depend, dependence on the Naukri portal. Thank you so much.